Hello everybody, once again you're watching S to the K to the B, A to the. My name is Samson, you can call me SKB Records, and you guys know what I do right here, behind the scenes and exclusive interviews with musicians right here in Ghana. Today, I'm going to give you all the update from all the way from London, KAVOD concert with NACEEMUSIC, and it's going to be a glorious one. It's going to happen live 5 p.m. on the dot. I'm not there in person, but I have a representative, and I'm going to push all the updates, all the gist. I'm going to give you all of them. So stay glued to this very platform. Stay blessed. Cheers.
Bass is good. Bass is good for Brennan. Oh, yeah.
You get SPD? Get bass?
The SPD is there. Yes.
One sec.